They have mounted protests outside hospitals across the country.
Say no to the vaccine passport in Canada.
Among the organizers, a few health workers, including a nurse who was fired after being part of an anti-lockdown rally last year. They're protesting vaccine mandates, being forced, they say, to take drugs they don't want.
It's threatening, it's cajoling, it's bullying, it's tyranny, call it whatever you like. It's wrong.
Really basic human rights are being violated.
They're a fraction of the population, but even small numbers could choke off access to hospitals or intimidate workers and patients. One doctor, a lone sentinel outside a Toronto hospital today, stands behind the science and vaccines that are accepted by the vast majority of Canadians.
Behind us is sacred ground. This is a place where people come to get healed, where people are sick, and where professionals like myself and the nurses I work with deserve to be treated with respect and not intimidated or harassed.
He's not alone. Major health organizations for nurses and doctors are calling for safe zones to allow people into and out of hospitals safely.
What we really are hoping for is that those entryways, those exit ways are maintained, that the healthcare workers that are going in and out of hospitals are not harassed or abused, and ultimately that they can do their job in the middle of a pandemic in a meaningful way.
It is not the place to protest. It is wrong.
All the federal leaders condemned blocking access to health centers today.
These protests, this harassment of our frontline nurses, doctors, is completely unacceptable.
The Liberals say they'll pass legislation to make it a crime.
We are protecting people, including healthcare workers, from those who would scream obscenities at them and spit on them on their way into work to save lives.
This healthcare worker is blunt.
To bring this here, to bring this kind of vitriol, where people have been working flat out and continue to go nonstop to help people, it's hard to understand the rationale.
The demonstrators have targeted what for most Canadians are cherished institutions that save lives. And if the protesters themselves get sick and need help, will save their lives too. Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.